Welcome to this demonstration of how to use the self-service portal dashboard to allocate and monitor chargeback costs among business units in a Microsoft private cloud environment. Microsoft Private Cloud Database Solutions are the result of a long-term strategic alliance with Hewlett-Packard to deliver a new class of applications for enterprise customers. HP Enterprise Database Consolidation Appliance hardware, optimized for SQL Server, allows for deployment of a private cloud in weeks, not months. Proven technology from Microsoft, including the Windows Server 2008 R2 operating system, Microsoft System Center products, and SQL Server 2008 R2 data management software, enables you to reduce implementation risk while scaling your business. With Microsoft Private Cloud Database Solutions, you can consolidate thousands of databases and reduce capital and operations costs to achieve a low overall cost of computing. In this demo, we'll show how the Microsoft System Center Virtual Machine Manager Self-Service Portal dashboard provides visibility into business unit infrastructure usage so that chargeback costs can be accurately tracked and equitably assigned. Data center administrators can use the Microsoft System Center Virtual Machine Manager Self-Service Portal to allocate chargeback costs to a business unit. For each virtual machine template, separate memory and storage rates can be defined. As a business unit requests and provisions new resources, these rates are used to calculate the chargeback expense. The VMM Self-Service Portal dashboard is a Windows SharePoint services-based application that displays multiple sets of statistics on a single web page. Here, the dashboard lets data center administrators visualize how many business units are deployed and how many infrastructures are in use by each business unit. This gives administrators a high-level overview of appliance utilization. Next, we see more details about the infrastructure, such as how much memory and storage has been provisioned and is in use. These charts can be filtered to view information for an individual business unit. This provides a good overview of what resources have been allocated and what is actually being used by each business unit. Drilling down further, administrators can look at services by infrastructure and business unit. As with the previous report, we can see what has been provisioned and what is actually being used. On this same page, we can view performance metrics, such as the approval time for infrastructure requests and the wait time for pending infrastructure requests. Now, we'll look at the resources page on the dashboard. Here, we can see how much memory and storage has been provisioned for each service. Services can be filtered by host group. Administrators can also review the library path for the stored virtual machines. Similarly, administrators can review the library path for virtual machine templates. Drilling down further into resources, we can see information on the templates used by each service. Here we can see the cost per day for each template, which is used to drive the costs that are charged back to each business unit. Finally, we'll review the chargeback page. This graph shows the monthly trend of chargeback costs, so administrators can get a sense for how rapidly costs are changing for forecasting purposes. Additional charts show more information on the business unit chargeback costs, such as the potential cost of reserving resources ahead of time, before they're allocated or used. This next chart summarizes the monthly chargeback costs per infrastructure. Chargeback costs can be calculated both for newly provisioned virtual machines based on defined templates and for virtual machines that are imported into VMM. This allows administrators to maintain a comprehensive overview of the costs associated with running all virtual machines in the private cloud. As you've just seen, the Microsoft System Center Virtual Machine Manager Self-Service Portal dashboard provides greater visibility into business unit infrastructure usage so that chargeback costs can be accurately tracked and equitably assigned. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit the private cloud website